say hello to Apple glasses. Or we can say wearable iPhone. Making headlines again, and this time it has some updates. Normal, everyday wearable glasses, but with advanced features. And of course, they will have something special in them as it is an Apple product. Is it going to replace iPhone? Or what they will actually do? Let's check it out. And one thing to mention is that don't consider Apple glasses as normal VR headsets. It's something different with incredible features. So without any delay, let's check out the amazing features, release date, and expected price of upcoming Apple glasses. Design. The Apple glasses will resemble regular glasses and are intended to be more of an everyday wearable device than the headset. Glasses are said to have built-in displays, which may be Sony's micro OLED display with an ultra-fast response rate, ultra-high contrast, low reflection, and integrated drivers for a thin and light display. It is said that the glasses may look like Ray-Ban wafers or the glasses Tim Cook wears. What Apple glasses will actually do? According to Bloomberg, the Apple glasses will synchronize with wearer's iPhone and display coming alerts, texts, emails, maps, games, and other things. The concept may be the same as Apple Watch, but instead of a wrist, this device will be in front of your eyes. An amazing and interesting thing is that you don't need to add prescription lenses to these glasses, as the glasses will use the advanced feature to adjust the power of the spectacles to correct the refractive error of the wearer. It is also said that Apple may apply a projection system to hologram the display. Also, the Apple glasses will help you to see better in the dark with built-in depth sensors that provide a greater look at the objects around you. You can also control Apple glasses with finger gestures, but for this you have to wear Apple's Smart Ring. Apple's Smart Ring is not manufactured yet, but it is rumored that it is also coming soon with amazing features. While wearing this Smart Ring, the glasses can also detect anything in your hands and will act accordingly. It can also happen that instead of Smart Ring, Apple Watch can perform this job by detecting hand movements. How Apple glasses are different from VR headsets. VR headsets display an entirely new world. They typically have a stereoscopic display and sensors like an accelerometer and gyroscope to align the virtual camera's orientation with the user's eye positions in the actual world by tracking the user's head attitude. The LCD or OLED panels inside the headsets are refracted by the lenses when they switch on, filling your field of view with whatever is being projected. Visually, you're taken to wherever the headset wants you to go. The outside world is replaced with a virtual one. Virtual reality replaces your vision, whereas AR enhances it. AR means augmented reality, and Apple glasses are based on this concept. The transparency of AR glasses allows you to see everything in front of you as if you were wearing a pair of standard eyeglasses. The technology is designed for free movement while projecting images over whatever you look at. AR glasses can also display anything you see on your phone. In the case of Apple AR glasses, you can simply use them as daily routine glasses, and it is comfortable and does not cause much negative effect on the eyes. Can Apple glasses replace iPhone? The answer can be yes, according to some rumors, as Apple glasses will be able to display apps like maps, texts, games, and other information, and it is said that Apple glasses may have its own app store from where you can download apps and games specially designed for glasses. This news is already rumored that after the release of the upcoming iPhone 15, Apple will stop the production of the iPhone. So this also points toward the replacement of iPhone with Apple glasses. But the answer can be no, as Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo stated that Apple glasses will be used as an accessory for iPhones. This means in order to use Apple glasses, one must have iPhone nearby. Glasses will work once it connects to the wearer's iPhone. It will act as a display for the phone while your phone is in your pocket. But we have to wait until the glasses release to see its relation with the phone. Expected price. As it is Apple's product, you can imagine the price. It is reported that the price will be around $499. But if we consider the feature Apple embedding in this product, the price will be definitely more than this and can touch $700. Release date. Apple glasses are rumored for long, but still, we are waiting for them. It was said that the glasses will be released by the end of 2023. Then it was reported that it will be released by 2024, and with each update, we were told about a new feature that will be available in the glasses. But according to some recent updates from Ming-Chi Kuo, we have to wait more for the Apple glasses. How long? It is reported that the glasses will be ready by 2025 or 2026. Currently, Apple is facing some difficulties to develop the hardware required for a lightweight wearable product with the power of an iPhone and enough battery life to run it. If we talk about the battery life, then it is rumored that the glasses will have a minimum of 3 hours of battery life. The glasses will have wireless charging option too. Apple Glasses operating system. Obviously, glasses will not run on iOS, and Apple will release exclusive software for the glasses. That exclusive software is going to be realityOS. In order to facilitate more intuitive and natural interactions with virtual objects, realityOS is expected to contain a number of key augmented reality or mixed reality capabilities, such as the ability to recognize and comprehend human hand gestures and movements. Additionally, it is said that the device has eye tracking technology, enabling users to control the headset by simply looking at objects. Naturally, hand tracking will also be present, as is the case with all VR goods, in addition to eye tracking. The project is said to be led by Mike Rockwell, who previously worked at Dolby Labs and oversaw the development of the company's AR and VR products. The team is said to be made up of engineers and designers from both Apple and companies that the company has acquired over the years, including Metaio and Flybe Media. And if we talk about specs, there's not much information, but it will be updated soon. If we talk about users' privacy, then it is said that the glasses display will be visible only to the wearer, and other nearby people can't see the display unless they wear the glasses by themselves. It seems to be an interesting product, and I hope the wait will be worth it. This is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Grounded Tech.